In Mykolaius Konstantinos Cherlonius National Museum of Arts, each visitor can become a composer of colors, adjust the color tones of a picture to give the intensity of colors that faded out within a time back to a piece of work. These possibilities are provided by smart lighting of pieces of art, one of the many patented works of researchers from the Vilnius University Physical Sciences and Technologies Research Center. Scientific research of international recognition is carried out. Technologies and prototypes from the field of physics and chemistry, from idea to prototype, are developed here. The interest in the results of the work of our scientists is really high. We are the core of the highest qualification and competencies in the field of physics and chemistry, recognized at international level. We develop knowledge, technologies and products in all stages of innovation chain. Lithuanian and foreign companies can use a wide range of possibilities offered by the center, the scientific knowledge and unique scientific equipment, while creating know-how and new technologies. We help business to discover new horizons by creating and developing innovations for their business success. The team of the scientists working in the center is perhaps the largest one in Eastern Europe. Hundreds of researchers, PhD students and scientists can implement the most ambitious projects by using the modern laboratories of chemical synthesis, material science and nanotechnology, laser and light technology, semiconductor physics and optoelectronics. We specialize in production, improvement and characterization of functional materials. We also develop optoelectronic devices. The ideas are tested by high-performance supercomputer designed for solving the problems of material sciences and quantum chemistry that require very high computing resources. Its possibilities are applied in various fields. For example, the video archive, which has been collected for many years, is encoded to the national broadcaster. By using a supercomputer, the scientists can perform complex tasks of testing and forecasting the material properties, astrophysical and hydrometeorological calculations. It is indispensable for representatives of chemical, pharmaceutical and other industries in computing tasks of up to 30 teraflop required while developing new products. One of the main fields of modern chemistry, development, synthesis of functional organic and inorganic molecules and materials, and research of their target properties, helping to turn the scientific and technological knowledge into innovative products. One of these products is aerogel. It is ultralight, low-density solid material derived under supercritical conditions by replacing the liquid component by gas without destroying the original morphology. Density of the most popular silica aerogel can be even 1 to 2 grams per cubic meter. Aerogel is inflammable and a very good thermal insulator. Synthesis of monolithic aerogel is complex, requiring a lot of resources, knowledge and time. Perhaps therefore only a small number of scientists around the world are engaged in this research. We are one of them. One more field of the works of the Faculty of Chemistry is the methods of treatment of oncological diseases. New technologies developed by scientists have been increasingly applied in biomedicine. We cooperate with the scientists from the National Cancer Institute. We synthesize the nanoparticles used for early diagnosis and treatment of cancer. The available equipment allows quick and quality synthesis of functional materials, qualitative and quantitative chemical analysis of their properties. One of the fastest developing technologies in the world is optoelectronics. Conventional semiconductors have been increasingly replaced with organic materials in electronic devices. We provide the services of synthesis and characterization of new organic materials, seeking to demonstrate the attractive properties of these materials for manufacturers of optoelectronic devices. For example, the measurements of fluorescence spectra, lifetime, fluorescence quantum efficiency, etc. New high-tech equipment allows developing the models and prototypes of devices for business. Our potential customers are the largest European and Asian chemical companies making organic light-emitting diodes, solar cells, sensors and other products. There is one of the largest and most expensive pieces of equipment in Lithuania, the metal organic chemical vapor deposition reactor in the center. It is used for the development of new generation materials required for solar energy, nanotechnology, laser and optoelectronic technology. In this laboratory, gallium, indium and aluminium nitride compounds used in the production of white light-emitting diodes (LEDs) are grown. For example, following the order of the company Osram, we carry out technological research. We must develop and grow the most efficient structures of LEDs, which will be used in solid-state lighting. Companies use the technologies and prototypes developed by our laboratories in making the final products. In order to understand what processes take place at the molecular level to provide for new features of materials and the ways of their improvement, the methods of spectrometry and mass spectrometry are used. The scientists from the center apply them in various fields. Our customers in Lithuania include education institutions and private high-tech companies. We provide various services. We can characterize the precious stones and other minerals, describe their quality, research carbon nanostructures, analyze the pieces of art, primer, paint, describe their chemical composition. Our research methods are not destructive, and it is a great advantage, while analysis needs a small quantity of material, just a few micrograms. In this laboratory, the scientists work with light sources, LEDs. Various prototypes of lighting systems, illuminators, are made from them. These are integrated computer-controlled systems of preferred parameters. Here, where the smart lighting of museums was born, from the idea to the final product. By using this lighting technology, we can make colors richer or paler, visually restore the pieces of art without any direct touch. It is especially relevant for museums. However, our knowledge and competencies are applied in other fields too. We have a lot of orders from industrial companies. We research and optimize various illuminators for household, business or street lighting. Considering the scientific potential and the available equipment, we are one of the top 10 world centers of excellence in the field of solid-state lighting. The Vilnius University Physical Sciences and Technologies Research Center, together with business, can turn a scientific idea into a prototype successfully implemented in the market. The innovations which are developed here can certainly be called the guarantee of the present and future success.